In this episode, we'll create our first cash register. Go to the main menu under Point of Sale and click on Registers, then click on New Register. Fill in the required information, including the name, code, and select the warehouse. The description is optional, but for example, if the register is located near a specific equipment, you can note it here so the cashier knows which register to select when opening a session. By default, the register is set as active. You can also choose whether to use this register for the restaurant module. In the Edgetrack bridge section, you can connect and configure physical devices such as thermal printers, cash drawers, security cameras, and even payment terminals. For now, we'll cover this setup in a separate, dedicated video. Click Create Register. Your register has now been created and is ready to use. In the next video, we'll learn how to open a session and access the POS. Thanks for watching.